I worked at a salon that had products that really was not for people of ethnicity, but they still sold it anyway. So when I came to NouriTress and, they said, oh, this will work, I didn't believe it. I didn't believe it until I was able to learn how to do a scalp analysis and, evaluate people's scalps. But I still was skeptical about it and didn't believe it until I was given a client who there really was no hope. And we put her on a regimen of the vitamins and coming in and get laser therapy. And then I started to see the hair to grow. And then I believed it. There's so many things as a stylist and as a hair loss specialist you just don't know, because in today's world everything is a quick fix. Everybody wants to do the weaves and lace wigs and cranial prosthesis, which is fine for those of whom who really need it. But what about when your client who gets a weave all the time or gets what they call a lace wig, when they want to take it off, they want to wear their own hair? Are you going to be able to be that stylist that can do their real hair, or you're just stuck doing weaves and lace wigs, which is totally different from doing real hair? Because once you take that off, you reveal that person, what that person has gone through as far as the stress of their hair, as far as wearing weaves all the time, as far as wearing lace wigs. Are you going to be prepared to tell them what they need to do? Because trust me, if they've been wearing it for a long time and it has not been installed properly, there's going to be some hair loss. Yes, you can find anything on Google, but then you got to understand and figure out yourself. When was the last time you've been to the doctor to get a full workup? Because hair grows internally and not on the top, and that's what people don't understand. And then they think, oh, she used that, so that might work for her. But it didn't work for you, because you have to get a whole physical. You have to take in consideration your age, but really not your age today, because today women are going into menopause much younger and not going to the doctor to see about it. It's the foods that you're eating that affects everything: hair, skin, nails, and all these are the appendages of the body anyway. So I just recommend that, you get up and you come see a hair loss specialist, not just a hairstylist, because a lot of hairstylists can do hair, but they don't know how to make hair grow back. When people lose their hair, you really don't think it's going to grow back because it's gone. But NouriTress is the answer and will always be the answer to those of whom who don't think it might not work. You just need to try it.